So those are not the issues. Basic issue is job. If they are getting the job on a foreign CDC, it is fine by us. If they are not getting the job on the basis of the foreign CDC that they are holding and they have enough experience, then we'll have to talk to these companies as to what problems are they facing and why are they changing their rules of providing employment. Experience of a particular person. And if you start accepting experience, then it will again mean that people will be sent abroad by unscrupulous people on ships just to gain experience, and they end up getting exploited.
But permanently we want them to consider giving Indian CDC to these people who are working based on their experience. Because now I understand because of why you have abolished that rule, because of some of the ghost ship. But I think those companies, those agents are blacklisted. But these companies like Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Princess, they are reputed companies. Once they have their experience at sea, I think you should consider to give them the Indian CDC. Otherwise, looking into as an employment issue, not traveling document only. So coming back to the point, they should give them Indian CDC because the government is not able to provide employment to the SSC failed people. But these companies are already employing them and they are bringing a lot of revenue. Their experience, some of them from the cleaner level, they have reached to manager level.